and is the Rapid Collagen Infusion, which is a, don't know, I just choose skincare of bougie brands. What is this? Let's see what the little booklet has to say. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the 2020 Winter Fab Fit Fun box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I was mid-filming my November Allure box and the doorbell rang, which annoyed the crap out of me because I had to stop filming. But then when I answered the door, no one was there but my Fab Fit Fun box. So I was less annoyed and excited that I already had the cameras and setup going to film. It's weird how I get so many packages on Sunday when back in the day, no mail, nothing came on Sundays. Alright, so let's dig in and see what I got. Even though I get to pick 5 products, you do it so far in advance, I honestly can't remember. When I see them, I may go, oh yeah, I remember picking that. I did get some add-ons. There's a nice little sticker letting me know I got some add-ons. Alright, so for my add-ons, some were add-ons I shopped for, and some were the type where it was offered as a selection, but if you didn't choose it, then it popped up as being like $10 or $15. So I got the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Eye Gel. Yes. And then from Algenist, I got the Complete Eye Renewal Balm. I believe this came as a selection. I didn't select it, and so I got it for, I want to say $15. And then I think I selected this just when I was shopping, and this is from Instree Hyaluronic Acid Toner. So I'm excited about my add-ons. Alright, let's get into the actual box. And I see the first item, which is large and oh my god, weighs a ton. This here came from the first selection, and it is the UnHide Little Marshmallow blanket, which retails for $65. That's a pricey blanket, but it's very heavy. If I had to guess, it's like 3 to 4 pounds per blanket. Wow. It is made in China, and it's 50 inches by 60 inches. Wow, that's quite... 60 inches is what, 5 feet? 50 inches is 4.5 feet maybe? That's a rather large blanket, or throw, I guess. All right. For those who follow me, you may be wondering why I didn't pick skincare or makeup. Well, these were the options. Not a lot. The one skincare I almost got, and thank God I read about it. It's meant for people with like oily to combination skin, and I luckily do not have that type of skin. All right, next item. Ooh, I love this brand. This is from Murad, and is the Rapid Collagen Infusion, which is a, don't know, I just choose skincare of bougie brands. What is this? Let's see what the little booklet has to say. It is formulated with collagen amino acids, and this treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. Okay, now I know why I got it. And it retails for $78, so excited to have that in my life. All right, next item. What is this? Why? They put a little snack in here for me. This is from Kind. It's a Thins bar, 90 calories, dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. I think I'll be snacking on that after I finish this unboxing video. All right, on to the actual next item, I hope. What is this? It's very tiny. from a company called Phase Zero. What is this? Making Moves Blusher. Oh. It's one of those little boxes that you're like, okay, does not like to open for me. There we go. Not familiar with this brand. Whoa. That is lovely. It's kind of a peachy shade. Let's do a little swatch. That will look lovely with my skin tone. It does have a slight, I don't want to say shimmer, but it's glowy slightly. All right, next item. We got from Paradox Los Angeles, Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. Okay, I obviously did not choose this. They sent this along. I luckily don't suffer from acne. However, every blue moon, if and when I do, it's like the big, deep, gnarly, painful kind that lasts like a week and a half. So, yay, even though I don't need these luckily on a day-to-day basis, I do enjoy having it in my arsenal on that blue moon. All right, on to the next item. Ooh, what is this? All right, so we have from a company called Flight Mode Skincare. It's the High Altitude Hydration Mask, and it retails for $39. It says, hydrate and nourish your skin with a blend of Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid. All right, I love anything with hyaluronic acid that hydrates my skin, so I'm excited to try this product. All right, next item. I presume this is something they selected for me because never in a million years would I pick ponytail scrunchies. I barely can get my hair into a ponytail. Thank you, COVID. But I guess I will be needing these more and more. It is a 3-pack, all animal prints. Very cute. So, okay, I'm not mad at it. Wish I would have gotten skincare or makeup, but I could have got jewelry or something that I don't wear. So, on to the next item. Okay, I did select this. Again, the choices were not awesome, and I went back and forth. But as everyone probably does at some point in their life, they cook something. So I got these 4-pack of cutting board sets. They're very thin. They're flexible, which is nice. So when you chop something, you can kind of scoop it up and drop it into your pan or your dish or your bowl. It's from a company called eparé, and they are BPA free. And I like how they're color coded, and they have a little picture. So one is meant to be for like meat and vegetables and etc. See how much these are. I can't remember. I want to say like 20 bucks, but let's be official with the booklet. So yeah, $19.99. And they do have a backing grip so they don't slip. All right, on to the last item. Okay, so this is from Laura Geller, and it is the Cinnamon and Spice. I think it's an eyeshadow palette, and I do believe I chose this. Let's see if I will enjoy the color story. Oh yeah, ooh yes, right up my nude, neutral, boring alley. That's lovely, and it does come with a mirror. And I like the size. It's great for travel. You get lots of different shades, mix of shimmers and mattes. All right, give me your thoughts. Good box this season, quarter, or not so much? Let's do a recap. Okay, so I got 40 acne patches. From Laura Geller, I got a nice eyeshadow palette. From Phase Zero, I got a blush. From Flight Mode Skincare, I got a serum moisturizer. From Murad, I got a wrinkle correcting face product. From Eparé, I got 4 cutting boards, and from, can't remember, a really heavy throw blanket. And from nOir, a 3-pack of hair scrunchies. Alright, give me your thoughts. Did you enjoy my box? Were you jealous of anything? Are you like, sucker, I got a way better box than Wygo Warrior did? Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought was good for my box or what you got that I would be jealous of. I'm very curious what others get in their box. Thank you so much. I would love for you to subscribe, and for those who already are, thank you so much. Don't forget to click that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos, and I would love it if you would hit that thumbs up button. And thanks for watching. All right, see you next time.